Hello! If you're new here, my name is Jacqie, spelled with a Q, not a K. Jacqie. Jacqie. I'm coming to you with a full face on already, which was the last video. This video is dedicated to individual lashes. These are Ioni 3D mink, faux mink, whatever, 100% handmade. I have two different ones because I'm going to use these in the outer part and these towards the inner part because these are a little shorter and these are a little longer. So that's what we're doing today. I think they're a little shorter. Anywho, let's open these bad boys up. Also, this is my favorite lash glue. It is the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive White Dash Clear. It dries super fast. I don't like to sit here and wait for shit to dry. Ooh. Ooh. So, I like my lash glue to dry quick. Alright. Which ones are what you get? Okay. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, to be quite honest. Are these the smaller ones? I think so. I don't know if we're gonna. They kind of look a lot alike, so now I'm like, shit, which ones did I get that were supposed to be smaller? Oh, fuck. They're both long. These are just, I don't know, spread out more, I guess. Whatever. I don't remember which ones I just took out of which box. Wispy Natural Short. Short Natural. Oh, they're both Wispy Natural Shorts. That's interesting. Okay, whatever. Whatever. It's not important. It is, but it's not. I'm going to use these ones for the outer. You cannot see that. There we go. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our tweezers. These are Ioni tweezers that I got from Dollar Tree as well. Take our lash glue and a mirror. This is a Slay All Day Gerard Cosmetics mirror. No, I am not aware of whatever drama she's in. I don't really care, to be quite honest. So don't judge me. I got this a long time ago when I was on their PR. I guess it was considered PR. They sent me free shit. I get to pick it out too. So, anyways, let's begin. First, you're gonna take a little lash and you're gonna try not to rip it because they are so tiny. I always pull off the sticky part that they use to stick it to the packaging because that's not what I want for my sticky. And then you're going to grab it from the lash part with your tweezers and you're going to add some glue right here. Just a little dab will do ya. I don't know if you can see that. It's really hard to see. Like so. See it? Yep, just a little bit. You're gonna let that get tacky. I blow on it. I have zero patience to wait for this to dry. Then you're gonna take your mirror. You're gonna put it down towards your lap. You're gonna look down and place the lash right on the outer corner. And the reason you look down is because it's easier to place. Wow, that is too far out. Okay, we're gonna move that in a little. because it's easier to see your lash line when you look down, to place your lashes, which is... And then you're going to take it and you're going to pinch it with your regular lashes. Like so. I don't know if you can really see. Should I zoom you in a little? There we go. Like so. It's there. It's hard to see because they're very wispy. And then I always wipe off my, because if you get glue on this, it's going to stick to the lash, and the lash is not going to go on your eyeball. By the way, I ended up ripping that one, so you got to be really careful. It's really hard to get these out. I don't know why they packaged them the way they did. I think this one's going to rip too. Yeah, this packaging is terrible for these. Yeah, I keep ripping off one little clump, so whatever. It's an Ioni issue, not a individual lash issue. Other people package their lashes better. And then you're going to take the next one. Maybe I should try just pulling it off with my fingers. Maybe that would work better. Let it get tacky, look down, and put it right next to, not on top of, next to the other lash. These just take longer than strip lashes because you really gotta place one right next to the other. Strip lashes, honestly, are easier. And like so. And then you do that again, and then once you get a little in, depending on how far you want to go in, you will switch to the shorter ones, which don't actually look shorter to me, but whatever. Alright, I'm going to try to take this one off with my hands. Well, that worked better. I forgot to take the sticky shit off the other one. Yeah, well. Put some glue on it. It just takes practice, and I actually don't use individual lashes, so I'm not like amazing at putting them on. These are really wispy, but that's okay. You always want to use an eyeliner too, because that hides the lash band. Look down. Place it next to the other one. I didn't clean off the tweezer, which is why it's sticking. And that's why it's important to clean off your tweezer. Ow! That was my finger. There we go. I don't know if you can tell. They're cute. They are a lot wispier than I thought. All right. Do we do one more of those? Yes, screw it. We'll do 4 of these, and then we'll switch to the other ones. Damn it. Rip that one too. Ioni, fix your packaging. This ain't it, bruh. Oh shit. Yeah, if you drop it, you better hope you saw where it landed, because it's gonna be hard to find. Ow. It's sitting on my ankle and it doesn't feel good. Coffee. Look down. I did it again. Yeah, see, now that one's looking a little too long. Ah, you son of a bitch. God damn it. See, it's a little tricky sometimes. This one looks long. Too much glue. Gotta be careful not to put on too much glue too. It'll slip and slide. Alright, ouch. Look down, Jacqie. Alright, this one's not sticking and it looks too long anyways, so we're not going to go with that one. We're going to switch to the other ones that are just as freaking long, so I don't know what the difference is going to be. I might have to trim them. Like, I sometimes will take scissors and kind of cut the ends a little to like make them shorter, because sometimes they just be too long. I don't know why I think this one's going to go on any better than the other one. We'll see. Damn it, I've got to remember to clean it off. Why is this so crazy? I feel like that one's longer than the other ones. That's alright. We'll just trim them. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, these ones are coming off a lot better. So far. So far! Why'd I put those over there? I still need those for the other eye. Duh. You gotta remember too how many you put of each, so you can make both eyes even. Otherwise, you look ridiculous. Ugh, stupid battery. See? Aren't they beautiful? I do need to trim. You gotta be real careful because you're putting scissors near your eye, so really pay attention to what you're doing. And try not to cut your own lashes. That's better, kind of. There. Yay! Alright, I'm going to do the other eye. And then I will show you what it looks like and we'll close out this lovely video. Be right back. Okay, this, y'all, is the final look. I didn't cut these ones as well as over here, so these are more like blunt cut. I tried to fix it, but it didn't really work. Over here is more fluttery. You can kind of see the difference, but that's why you gotta be careful cutting your lashes. It is what it is. But yeah, so that, my friends, is how you do individual lashes. It does take a little more time, a couple of swear words maybe. When I was doing this, I was like swearing because it was sticking to my tweezers and I wasn't putting it in the right spot, and I was like, but yeah, practice helps. So just keep trying and you will get it eventually. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, thumbs up this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you tune in for future videos. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day.